Excuse me, I'm looking for the Holiday Inn. Do you know where it is?
Sure. It's down this street on the left.
Is it far from here?
No, it's not far.
How far is it?
About a mile and a half.
How long does it take to get?
5 minutes or so.
Is it close to the bus station?
Yes, it's very close. The bus station is next to the hotel. You can walk there.
Thanks a lot. Excuse me, do you know how to get to the mall?
Sure, I used to work there. Go straight for about a mile and then turn left at the light. The mall will be on the right.
Do you know the address?
Yes, the address is 541 Main Street.
Can you write it down for me, please?
No problem.
Is it faster if I take Highland Avenue?
No, that way is longer. There are more stoplights on that street.
I think you're right. Thank you.
Hi Tisha,
Hi Tipu. What's up?
I'm looking for the airport. Can you tell me how to get there?
No, sorry. I don't know.
I think I can take the subway to the airport. Do you know where the subway is?
Sure, it's over there.
Where? I don't see it.
Across the street.
Oh, I am watching it now. Thanks.
No problem.
Do you know if there's a restroom around here?
Yes, there's one here. It's in the station.
Thank you.
Bye. Would you like to go to the library with me?
Okay. Do you think we can go buy newspapers first?
Sure. First, we'll buy newspapers and then we'll go to the library.
Are we going to walk or drive?
The weather is really nice today. Let's walk.
The weather is good now, but I think it's supposed to rain this afternoon.
All right, then let's take an umbrella. Is your brother coming with us?
No, he's still sleeping.
Wow, it's already 10 o'clock. He must have been up late last night.
Yeah, he didn't come home until 12 o'clock.
I hope he can come later.
I hope so too. I'll give him a call when we get there.
How do we get to the library from here?
It's straight down this road on the left, next to the museum. It takes about 10 minutes.